Okay, good evening, folks. It is 10:35 here in the UK on the 8th of March. Just gonna run through some of the charts here. We had a fairly quiet day today, really. Um, all things considered, probably after Friday. We've seen some of Friday's moves being sort of given back so far. Um, so I've not really done anything today. I was looking at US CAD and pound yen really, and didn't get any setups there. So we'll be looking towards tomorrow for some of the same, hopefully. So we've got 24 minutes now till the markets close, and it looks like we're gonna remove this 90.46 level to the close on the euro pound. I mean, if you look at this 5-minute chart, it's gonna be sort of fairly difficult to get a buy setup here. Anytime sort of soon. So if when we do remove this to the close, if we move a bit higher tomorrow and come back down to test this area, that's when I'll be looking to get involved. But I mean, the way it's looking, I mean, it's good that we're having a little bit of a surge at the moment because maybe we can remove it a bit more cleanly. But it looks like we are going to remove it, so I will be looking to buy tomorrow. Hopefully we can remove it and stay above it, and then I'll look to buy a retest of that 90.46 level tomorrow. Like I say, I was hoping we'd actually get a bit further down, but I'll have a go here. If it doesn't work out and we go lower, then I'll just wait and I'll have another go. It's worth taking the risk on this one. Um, Euro yen failed at the level I marked out here today. I was saying in the video last night that I would look to sell a failure of that level, but we actually got to that level during the Asian session sort of quicker than I'd anticipated, and we had a bit of a signal up there, but obviously I didn't take it, wasn't involved, and since then we bounced around that area and we've clearly failed it, but it just wasn't really one that I could get involved in. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm hoping we're still going to see this 122.29 level, hopefully tomorrow, and we can buy a bounce from there. And then that 123.52 will be the first sort of initial target on that trade there. As for everything else, really just not much happened today at all. Pound Swiss francs, the other one, you can see we're going to be below the level I was looking for here. So again, tomorrow we'll be looking to sell this pair. So I'm hoping we can maybe get, somewhere down around today's lows, and then have a sort of a bounce from there, maybe in the early session tomorrow in the UK session, and then we'll get some kind of failure there and look to sell that level. So that's the euro pound and the pound Swiss franc I'll be keeping an eye on. Also this pound yen, we came down to the 66 level. I was looking for the 46, so only needing another 20 pips. We've made a buy setup on the hourly chart here. We've also made a thrust bar, but basically it's not really had a chance yet. I'm kind of hoping I don't miss this one in the Asian session. Could quite easily come down and test this level now in the Asian session and have a good bounce. I mean, if that's the case, that's the case. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. Pound dollars, really nothing really new has happened here. We did challenge basically this level that I have marked here today, so that's interesting to see. If it's removed to the close, then it would be a level that we'd need to keep a close eye on. And finally, US dollar CAD, we got within 1 pip of this 248 level and had a bounce, but there was no count around that area, so didn't get involved. So again, we could get another chance tomorrow. So yeah, so basically to sum up, I'll be following euro pound to buy, pound Swiss franc to sell, pound yen to buy, euro yen to buy, and US CAD to buy. So yeah, so we could have a busy day tomorrow. Hopefully we get to see some sort of action. Sorry for the late timing of the video tonight. I've been playing around with the new Demarc software here, so hopefully at some point we'll get this introduced and get some more Demarc trading on the go. But it looks really good, but there's a lot to take in here, lots of new indicators to learn and stuff, but it's quite interesting anyway, so I'll leave it at that. Any questions you can ask me in the forum, ask me in the Demarc group, and I'll be glad to answer. Okay, good night, cheers.